Dear students, in the last section we have seen shift instruction. Today we will see rotate instruction. So rotate instructions are used to rotate the data to the left as well as right. So here there are four instructions. We will see one by one. First is ROL, that is shift left, destination and count. So here all the bits are rotated to the left. Okay, this is your MSB, this is your LSB. Then MSB shifted into the carry flag and same MSB shifted into the LSB. This is called as the ROL, in which we are shifting to the left. Again, if we want to shift it by one time, then put 1 into the instruction. If you want to shift it multiple times, then take a counter and rotate it by that counter. Okay. Next instruction is ROR. Here every bit is shifted to the right. This is your MSB, this is your LSB. LSB is shifted into the carry flag and same LSB is shifted into the MSB. Okay, so this is the ROR instruction, in which every bit is shifted to right, LSB shifted into carry flag and same LSB shifted into the MSB. So here again, if you want to shift it by rotate it by one time, then take 1 into the instruction, and if you want to rotate it multiple times, then take the counter. As here we want to shift it by 3 times, so 3 is the counter and we are rotating it by counter. Okay, next is RCL instruction. So this is rotate left through carry flag. So what happens here? Here also we are shifting, we are rotating every bit to the left. This is your MSB, this is your LSB. MSB shifted into the carry flag and the carry flag contents is shifted into the LSB. Okay, so that is why it is called as the rotate through carry flag, because we are rotating through the carry flag. So that is the difference between ROL and RCL. In RCL we are rotating through the carry flag. So here if you want to shift by 1, then take 1 into the instruction, and if you want to shift it by 4 times, for example, then take a counter of 4, put 4 into CL and then shift it by 4 position. Next instruction is RCR. So RCR, destination and count. What happens here? Here every bit is shifted to the right. This is your LSB, this is your MSB. LSB shifted into the carry flag and the contents of the carry flag is shifted or rotated into the MSB position. So here we are rotating to the right through carry flag. That is why it is a RCR, rotate right through carry flag. Again, if you want to shift it by one time, then put 1 into the instruction. If you want to shift it by multiple times, then take counter of 4 and put this into the instruction. Okay, so these are the rotate instructions, and these instructions are widely used into the programming. There are 4 rotate instruction: ROL, rotate left; ROR, rotate right; RCL, rotate left through carry flag; RCR, rotate right through carry flag.